Good morning, students. Welcome to our grammar session. Today we are going to learn about adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. It tells us something more about the noun or the pronoun. For example, Vijay is a boy. Here, Vijay is our subject and we know that he is a boy. But we are not able to get any more details about what kind of boy Vijay is. Now let's see another sentence. Vijay is a good boy. Here we are describing the quality of Vijay by telling that he is a good boy. So, good is an adjective here. Now, let's look into different types of adjectives. First, adjectives of quality. The words that describe quality of noun or pronoun are known as adjective of quality. It answers the question, what kind? For example, he is a clever boy. What kind of boy he is? Clever. Here the word clever is an adjective. Let's see few more sentences. Mumbai is a crowded city. Ria is a smart girl. Second, adjectives of quantity. The words that describe the quantity of nouns or pronouns are known as adjectives of quantity. It is used to describe uncountable nouns. It generally answers the questions how much. Some common quantitative adjectives are little, some, much, enough, few, etc. Let us understand this with the help of example. There is little water to drink. Here the word little answers the question how much, and it is used to describe an uncountable noun. Water is an uncountable noun. Let us see few more examples. I don't have much time. I have little faith in God. I have little interest in the sports. People don't get enough exercise these days. Some sugar is good for you. So children, here the word much, little, enough, some are quantitative adjectives as it is used to describe uncountable noun. Third, adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. These adjectives gives information about the numbers or order of persons or things. It answers the question how many or in what order. It is generally used to describe countable nouns. It is subdivided into two main classes, definite and indefinite. Definite adjectives of numbers. The words that describe the exact number of nouns are called definite adjective of numbers. All cardinal and ordinal numbers are definite adjective of numbers. For example, Shivani has 4 apples. I stood in the 3rd row. I will be absent for 6 days. Indefinite adjective of numbers. It refers to an indefinite amount of something that can be counted. Some commonly used words are few, all, some, etc. For example, I wrote many letters to you. Few dogs are unhealthy. Some women are upset. All the children came to the garden. So, children, remember this point. Words like some, few, many, all, etc. can be used as an adjective of quantity when they refer to something that cannot be counted, like water, oil, milk, time, food. These are uncountable nouns. But they are adjectives of number when they refer to items that can be counted, like some chocolates. Fourth, demonstrative adjectives. It is a word that point out a person, thing, or animal. Here are the 4 demonstrative adjectives: this, that, these, and those. For example, this book is mine. Here I am pointing out the book. Let's see few more examples. These pencils are expensive. I want those shoes for my birthday. Fifth one, interrogative adjectives. These are WH words which are used with nouns to ask questions. Now, what are WH words? WH words include who, what, which, whom, and whose. For example, whose book is this? Here, whose is used before book and is asking question. So, it is an interrogative adjective. Sixth, distributive adjectives. A word used to refer to each and every person or thing is called distributive adjective. Some of the most common distributive adjectives are each, every, either, neither, any, etc. Let's see few examples. Each man was given a pen. Every student was asked to keep their desk tidy. Every rose has its thorn. Seventh, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show possession. Some of the most common possessive adjectives include my, his, her, their, your, are. For example, this is my book. Now, these words sound similar to pronoun, but they are not. Both are used in different contexts. Remember, if the word is used instead of noun, then it is a pronoun. If the word is used for describing noun, then it is an adjective. Eighth, emphasizing adjectives. And adjectives used to emphasize a noun are known as emphasizing adjectives. It is used to stress the importance of the word. For example, this is my own pen. I saw it with my own eyes. Sit in your own chair. Ninth, exclamatory adjectives. It is used to indicate strong emotion. Usually we use the word what to express strong emotion. For example, what an idea! What a beautiful flower it is! So children, this was all about adjective and its types. Now, let's have one small exercise based on this topic. Pick out the adjectives in each of the sentences and state their kind. Number 1. He should be given his favorite sweetmeats. Here, sweetmeats means sweet food. So, the adjective is Sweet, as it answers the question, what kind of food? Here it is an adjective of quality. Number 2. The boy was his own grandson. Own is an emphasizing adjective. Number 3. Akbar was relaxing with some courtiers. Some. Indefinite adjective of numbers, as courtiers are countable noun. Number 4. They began to compete with each other. Each is a distributive adjective. Number 5. Give him 50 lashes of the whip. 50 adjectives of number. Number 6. Which is the heaviest flying bird in India? Heaviest adjective of quality. Number 7. We are losing our homes. Are possessive adjectives. Number 8. The growing population has pushed us away. Growing adjective of quality, as it answers the question, what kind of population? Number 9. All the players are afraid of him. All indefinite adjective of number, as players are countable noun. Number 10. He was able to score 3 points. 3 adjectives of number.